When you search for the best tagging gun for clothing, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Scop Stitch Gun. The Scop handheld stitch gun caught my eye with its vibrant pink and white design and an impressive price of $18.99. This tool is perfect if you want a quick solution for clothing repairs. What makes this gun stand out is its upgraded 5mm fine needle, which allows for almost invisible stitching. Seriously, if you're tired of visible repairs that ruin your clothing, this is a game changer. It's durable and can handle a range of fabrics from denim to wool, making it ideal for quick fixes on the go. Plus, with over 6,300 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, many users love it. I do have to mention, though, that some users found it tricky to use on delicate fabrics like silk. But here's the thing. If you're mainly working with thicker or sturdy materials, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or simply need a reliable tool for clothing repairs. Skip this one if you constantly work with delicate fabrics, as it might not be the best fit for you. Value for money? Absolutely, especially for its versatility. Product number 2. Gilraj Pricing Tag Gun. Next up is the Gilraj Price Tagging Gun, priced at $15.99. It's made for attaching price tags, but also serves multiple purposes, which is a great benefit for anyone running a small business. What caught my attention is the inclusion of 4,000 barbs, making sure you won't run out anytime soon. The robust ABS plastic construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use. Here's why this matters for you. If you're in retail or running garage sales, you need something reliable and long-lasting. Plus, with a 4.5-star rating from 7,900 reviews, it's clear people trust this product. One downside mentioned was that the standard needles can leave noticeable holes in delicate fabrics. However, if you're mainly working with thicker clothing or using it only on seams, this won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable tagging solution for retail or consignment. Skip this one if you often work with finer materials that require extra care. It's a solid investment for its price. Product number 3, BS1 Tagging Gun. Now let's talk about the BS1 price tagging gun, which is super affordable at just $13.99. It's designed with user-friendliness in mind, so if you're new to tagging, this could be a great option for you. This gun is made with durable hard plastic and comes with 1,002-inch barbs, perfect for securely attaching tags to different types of fabrics. Its ease of use means you can load attachments without breaking a sweat, which is a huge plus if you're in a hurry. With a 4.5-star rating from over 13,600 reviews, it's easy to see why it's popular. However, some users pointed out that it might leave a visible hole on delicate fabrics. But honestly, if you're working with regular materials like denim or cotton, it shouldn't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you're a small retailer or someone who needs a straightforward tagging solution. Skip this if you often tag delicate items, as it's not ideal for that. For the price, you're getting an effective tool. Product number 4, PAG Standard Tagging Gun. The PAG Standard Tagging Gun is a great option at just $9.99. It's budget-friendly and still packs quite a punch in terms of features. This gun includes 5 needles and 2,000 barbs, making it a fantastic choice for anyone who wants to tag clothing efficiently. It's designed to work with various fabrics, from wool to polyester, ensuring you have flexibility in your tagging needs. The ergonomic design also helps reduce hand fatigue, which is a nice touch for long tagging sessions. With a 4.6-star rating from 6,200 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate it. That being said, some feedback indicated that it can get stuck if not used correctly. But honestly, if you follow the provided instructions, it's easy to resolve any issues right away. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical tagging solution for retail or personal use. Skip this if you need a gun that can handle delicate fabrics, as that's not what this is designed for. For the price, it's a solid buy. Product number 5, Miapso Tagging Gun Kit. Finally, let's look at the Miapso 5,506-piece price tagging gun kit, priced at $16.95. This one really stands out with its colorful price tags and a comprehensive package. It comes with 6 steel needles, 5,000 barbs, and 500 price tags in various colors, making it ideal for businesses that want to add a touch of personality to their tagging. The ease of use is excellent. Just install the barbs and press. This kit is perfect if you're running a shop or a creative project. It has a solid 4.4-star rating from 1,000 reviews, indicating satisfaction among buyers. However, some users found it a bit cumbersome when it gets stuck. If you're careful and follow the instructions, it's an easy fix. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution for tagging with a bit of flair. Skip this one if you don't need all the extra tags and just want a simple tagging gun. For the price, you're getting a lot of value. So, wrapping up our review of the top 5 tagging guns, we have the Scop Stitch gun for quick fixes, the Gilraj pricing tag gun for retail, the BS1 for affordability, the PAG for an economical choice, and of Miapso for a colorful all-in-one kit. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best.